Hey everyone, Dr. Lee Brown here, excited to share another exciting success story of one of our patients who unfortunately lost a front tooth. And you guys know it can be traumatic. We have dreams about these sort of things, so to have it actually happen can be challenging. But we talked through the different options, and even though when we lost the tooth, there were always something temporary to have in there. So they never had to walk around without a front tooth. So it was a tragic situation, but we were able to kind of mitigate some of the challenges. So we always had something in there. And when the implant that was replacing the tooth was ready to go, we were able to utilize a temporary implant so we could see how it looked, what we liked, what we didn't like before creating the final restoration. So you can see us go from not having a tooth to having a temporary to a beautiful final restoration. And you can see the situation continue to improve. So she's thrilled with the outcome. We didn't have to mess with the surrounding teeth. It's strong, it looks good. And guess what? She also has a backup just in case something ever happens. So just know if you're ever in a tough situation, we got your back. We can help. If you know anyone that can benefit from something similar, let us know. We're happy to help. And until then, we'll see you guys.